waiting for the FOMC meeting minutes today. It's Wednesday, January the 4th at 12:37 p.m. Central Standard Time. Again, the FOMC meetings are coming out soon here. Going over the trades today. No trades in the core 5 strategies. Yesterday we had a grains day trader short trade. You see some recent trades, a short trade there that was slightly profitable. A reversal there, and then a short trade yesterday, and so it's been pretty quiet to start out as we wait for the minutes, and it's a holiday shortened week still, and so here we go on the crude oil strategies. We had this one over the weekend. Oh, it was interesting because I liked this trade once I saw it, but it was at the last minute, and if you're thinking in terms of getting out for the weekend, you had to be right on it. You bought it at this very high point, and when the market closes up like that over a what I call a resistance level, and you're on a time period restraint where you're about to go over a long weekend, a lot of times it can gap. I anticipated that gap, and it did that, but it did something that I didn't expect, which is pull back. It pulled back a lot yesterday. But this is still a winning trade, and so you had the opportunity to get back in. If you didn't get this trade, or you had the opportunity, it was kind of stubborn. It didn't quite pull back to the entry point until this time frame. So you had the opportunity to get in near the lows, which was the entry point. If you got out on the close, it didn't quite pull back to the close. The close on Friday. It was a weekly, a monthly, and an annual close, and so it's tricky to stay in, and the close was at 53.89, and the low yesterday was 53.91, and so if you would have missed it by 2 ticks had you gotten out at the close and waited for it to come back to the close. But if you were just trying to get out, get in on the entry price, you could have done that and captured this trade. And so the spirit of the strategy is to stay with the trade. You always have the option to trade in and out. But the spirit of the trade is to stay with the trade over the long weekend, and that was a nice trade. Again, crude oil inventories, it was profitable today. I didn't even check to see if that report came out. Typically when Monday's a holiday, the report comes out on Thursday. But either way, it has the tendency to move at this time of day on Wednesdays, and also has the tendency to move tomorrow on Thursdays, on those days when the report comes out on Thursday instead. So Tick Pulse had quite a few trades yesterday. It went long, and then it reversed to short, and then it went long again, and ended the day up slightly at 87.50. Long again today. Narrow ranges today so far. We're looking at 8.75 points, which is extremely narrow range. But we are waiting for the Fed meeting minutes, and so it should pick up after the minutes. Sitting at highs, waiting for Dow 20,000 as well. And other crude oil trade yesterday, gap fill in reverse, got stopped out. Big reversal like we talked about. Did not expect this, and now we'll see what happens. Crude oil is very volatile market with lots of wide swings. Stock index swing got long yesterday. Market pulled all the way back. It made the S pattern up, down, back around, where the open and the close are about the same, and slightly profitable on that. Long again today, up. And gold spikes flat. EVT gold was short yesterday and lost. See that trade. And the soybean swing strategies, those are doing well today. You see a nice trade on soybean swing, long entry there, and soybean mill swing short. Not a lot of fall through to the downside. Reverse to the long side. Took a small loss on that, and long soybean mill swing and soybeans, and the grains have been in a choppy range as well. So looking forward to 2017. Tomorrow is the last day of the special offer. You can see our trading plan for 2017 here. It's in our video blog. You go here to the latest video blogs, the third article down, or the fourth article after this one, and you can see the latest results through 12/31. We didn't send out the weekly results because we have the annual results that we sent out here. We've completely updated this, and I'm going to have to add another column to my spreadsheet for 2017 now. And so you see the results here. Nice November, down January, or nice November, down December, and now we're into January, starting into January, into a drawdown, which is a nice point to begin. The special offers on the annual subscriptions, and so you can see those there. If you want to get in on an annual subscription, there's a discounted rate to reduce your trading costs overall, and you see that on the 25, 50K, 100K, and $1 million portfolios, and you see the annual results there. So let me know if you have any questions, and again, Happy New Year.